Minister wa githomo Ezekiel Machogu egutanyitwo mbere ya kamitii ya mbunge ya kunyabara mirutire ya wira ya honge cia thirikari no ndanekinyia ithenya riake rikiihurio ni mwandiki mukaru ruhonge-ini rwa mathomo ma ngathi cia iguru Beatrice Muganda uria uma na ihinda iritu gucokia ciuria cia kamitii ino.
I stand guided by the fact that the ministry should not let working parties do their work. And with your indulgence, Chair.
Makioneka kwaga kuiganira ameba a kamitii ino maugite marenda Machogu gugekinyia mbere ya kamitii ino na o ni thutha wa gikaro kingi o ta giki kwaga gukinyanira kiumia kihituku.
We want to do away with this story of executive evading parliament and sending representatives to come and give half-baked answers to serious matters that have been raised by
Machogu egutanyitwo gutariria kamitii ino uria ministry yake irakinyaniria mendekithia ma gucenjio kwa watho ukoni thurano cia arugamiriri a arutwo a university. Kamitii ino ikiuga ministry ya githomo irehithania na kamitii iria koretwo ikimurika mugaruruku sector-ini ya githomo.
Parliament made a resolution that you amend a specific section of the act that is in conflict with the constitution. What the president is doing in the State House, appointing commission, that's his business.
This bill was aimed at curbing or controlling this university unrest. Now, when you are running away from this, are you saying let the university unrest continue? Let the strikes continue, let the interruptions continue.
Age aria megwikinyetie mbere ya kamitii ino ni kamitii ya kwandika wira arutani TSC makiendwo gutariria ukinyaniria wa mutaratara wa mathomo ma arutani ciuria itiganite ikiyumiria ari hamwe na uria TSC yaheanire kandarathi kuri university inya na uria mareka gutigirira gutire arutani matigirirwo thiini wa mutaratara uyu.
In respect to these four institutions, you say that the same was tendered. What is the contractual period that a tender was given?
TSC yugite gicunje kia 90 hari igana kia mathomo maya matabanagirio nenda-ini na ona kuhanora uguo ikiuga kuri na mubango wa kwararamia namba ya university iria irathomithia arutani niguo kunyihia garama na gutigirira arutani no maratwarithia na mbere wira wao na oho gutigirira kiwatho arutani ni mararumirira mutaratara uyu uria kwagiriire.
We will work with the ministry and then go more online. Teachers can still get their points more online and we relicense them even without paying.
The legal framework, in my view, is elaborate. It provides even for sanctions. It actually says what the LS Act says, that if you have not taken your TPD, you are not able to practice the teaching profession the following year.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV gitagwo Ngina wa Waduro.